Hello, in this video, we will instruct you to create a Bitget account. First step 1, you click on the link that we attach in the description box. Remember to click on the link we attach in the description box to get exclusive offer from Bitget. Next, you can create Bitget accounts with email or mobile. I create account with email. Click on email here. Then enter the email address you want to use to create a Bitget account here. Next, you set a password here. Remember to use a strong password with 8 to 32 characters, at least one number, at least one uppercase letter, and at least one special character. Next, you click on Have a read and agree to the user agreement and privacy policy here. Then click Create Account. Next, you need to decode the captcha. Follow the instruction here, select in this order. Then click OK. Bitget will send a 6-digit verification code to the email you used to create Bitget account. So log in your email. This one. Copy this code. Then paste it into the session. Then you have just created a Bitget account successfully. Now I will instruct you to verify this account. Click on Verify Now. Next, you click on Security here. Then you will see different methods to verify your account. I will instruct you to verify account with Google Authenticator and phone number verification. For this one, you click on Configure it. Next, you follow the instructions here. You need to download the Google Authenticator app on your mobile, then scan this QR code. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search for Google Authenticator, then download this Google Authenticator app. After downloading this one, you click on Open. Click on Add a code here. Click on Scan a QR code. Allow Authenticator to access your camera. Then you enter this code into Google Authenticator session here. Click Submit. Next, you click on Send here. Bitget will send a verification code to the email you used to create a Bitget account. Then you log in the email account. Copy this code. Paste it into the session. Then click Confirm. So you have just completed Google Authenticator verification method here. Next, we will verify phone number. Click on Configure. Then enter your phone number here. Click Send here. Check your mobile phone, then enter the sent code into the session. Next, click Submit. Next, click Send here. Bitget will send a verification code to your email. Check your email and copy this code. Paste it into the session. Then enter the code in Google Authenticator app into the session. Click Confirm. Then you have just completed form verification. Next, we will instruct you to verify identity. You need to download Bitget application on your phone. After downloading the application, launching your account, then click Verify here. You allow the Bitget to access your camera. Then select the country of reason of residence as well as its using country of reason. Then you choose one of three available ID type: ID card, passport, or driving license. I select ID card, then click Continue. Please read these notes carefully, then click Continue. You need to upload ID card front and ID card back. Click on Upload at ID card front. Choose one of two options: take a photo or select from album. I choose take a photo. After taking photo, you choose Use Photo. Then wait for Bitget to confirm ID card front. Then you click Confirm. Next, you take similar step with ID card back. Choose Take Photo. Then select Use Photo. Wait for Confirm ID card back. Click Confirm. Then you click Continue. Now you follow the instructions on your phone to verify your face. Alright, you have just completed identity verification. Wait for Bitget to review your verification. Then Bitget will send you an email to announce that the verification is successful. Back to your account. On desktop, you will see Verified and Identity Verification here. Alright, we have just given you instructions on how to create a Bitget account. You can subscribe our channel to watch other useful videos. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.